Left scapula, so it would be like this. If the cat's head was here, it would be like this. Its head's here. I don't have another one. Here we go. This is the right scapula, left scapula. Okay, you can tell because this is the supraspinous fossa. This is the infraspinous fossa.
It is? Yeah. Two is,
might want to look that one up. I'm pretty sure that's how you say it. Infraspinous. This is the scapular spine. This is the acromion process. And this is the metacromion process.
Wait, we need to know all this?
Yes.
Okay. And those are the structures?
Yeah, these are structures.
So
Acromion is this part. It's a process, a little projection of bone. This is an acromion process, and then this is metacromion process. It's the part that's like folding over the side, like that. The scapular spine, supraspinous fossa, infraspinous fossa.
Wait, what's the difference? Supra?
One's above, one's below.
Okay.
Supraspinous, infraspinous.
Oh, okay, I missed that.
Okay. This is the glenoid fossa. It's where the humerus articulates. So the humerus. Let's get a humerus. Where are you? Where are you, sad clown? Like that.
The gland. What?
Oh, one other thing with humerus, it's got a hole. All the humeruses have a hole. So, hole for humerus, whatever. See that? Like all of them have that. There's no other bone that has a gap in it like this. Okay.
Humerus. That's funny because it has a hole.
Glenoid fossa. Okay, that's where humerus goes next. Okay.
That's got a hole in it.
Yep.
Is that a humerus?
This is not humerus. I don't have another one of these. It's too bad. Can you find me another one of these?
Do you practice these at home, or what do you
No,
know?
I've taught this 4 times. I know everything.
So the first time you taught it, were you like, I don't know?
Well, the first time I taught it, I taught Verzo previously, so they'd go through all this and more. So I knew everything also when I taught it the first time.